We're looking around near the base of trees where they... Oh! We just heard something fall. Did you hear that, honey?
That might have been.
Yeah, that might have been. We're looking
under here good.
As long as I don't see a gator. I don't want to see a gator.
Honey, gators will hardly move.
Okay.
You worry about one?
No, I don't see anything.
Honey, big.
What's that? What's that over there? I think so.
Huh?
Yeah, let's go get it. Right there, right there. Okay, honey. I think I see it.
Big meat eater.
Go, go, go. I think I see it right past me.
I don't eat plants, I'm not a weeder.
Get up
I'm
there. Get me up.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Get me up there. It's over there. See it laying down.
Is my name. Other
Look at that. Here's one right now. We see it. It fell out of the tree.
It fell out.
Yep, look at him. Do you guys see him? How are we going to get him, honey?
He's not an Apatosaurus. They're kind of big, but awfully meek. No, he's not a pterodactyl. I ain't got wings, I ain't got a beak. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Back here they call me Tyrant Lizard. With my claws all my prey is scissored. To know I'm tough, don't take no wizard. I'm Tyrannosaurus Rex. I'm 7 tons and you might think I drain a lake when I take a drink. But don't you worry, cause I'm extinct. I'm Tyrannosaurus Rex. No, he's not a Dimetrodon. I ain't got fins, I ain't got a sail. No, he's not a Stegosaurus. No bony plates or spiky tail. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yeah, I was mean, I wasn't docile. I was real huge, I was colossal. I left behind a great big fossil. I'm Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Hey! Tyrannosaurus Rex.